An extremely large woodpecker was spotted in town recently just off 9th Street Northeast. Eric Charbonneau says he stepped outside in the lane behind his residence and took some videos of it.
I came outside the one day and I was looking in the, just having a cigarette, and I noticed it was a big woodpecker. And I've never seen something that big before. Usually they're just small, but this guy was huge. And like he had a very big wingspan, and it was about a month and a half ago, and he never came back.
From the Portage Online Newsroom, I'm Mike Blume.